I heard a noise today, and immediately assumed the worst. It wasn't loud. It wasn't dramatic. Just a small click somewhere in the house. But my brain decided that was enough information. I froze mid-step like I was in a suspense movie. I tried to calculate every possible explanation in 2 seconds. When? Would expanding? Something falling? Or something watching me? I slowly turned my head toward the sound like I was about to uncover a mystery. It was just the refrigerator adjusting its temperature, and somehow I still felt like I had survived something important.